the question that we've been asked is, let's say on July 7th, we had this entry where for a credit card we purchased $270.35 at Walmart, and that had several of them. Like, there was a stationery that was purchased for $95. There was a book that you purchased and there was no HST for $50, and there was a miscellaneous expense for $100. Total taxes, HST payable was about $25.35. How do you enter this into uLaw as a single journal entry, right? Like generally in uLaw we always ask you to split that and enter taxes separately. We'll say like, hey, enter 95 plus HST, 100 plus HST, and 50 without HST. We would ask you to do that, and then you can transfer that as an asset and then transfer that as subsequent entries as well. But if you have to put this as a single entry, we strongly recommend that doing something as like this, like you talk to your bookkeeper or someone who's more familiar with the accounting portion of the uLaw to do that. Like it's a little bit of an advanced feature, so if you're uncomfortable, definitely reach out to support or reach out to a bookkeeper. But how to put a GL in uLaw is the primary question. Let's now show you how to do that in uLaw. Now obviously that's a credit entry in uLaw, so what you can do is you can go here and say action transfer, and this is a GL. This is how you put a GL. So you say general, and here TD credit card, and you put that amount. Once you put that amount, obviously you haven't balanced the debit side of it. We see here there are 4 of them, so let's just go ahead and create 4 of them. 1, 2, 3. So there are 4 that are created, and you can say journal entry for Walmart visit, and obviously now you need to select the accounts that you want to do. The first one is going to be HST payable in this case. Okay, I've chosen that. The second entry is obviously going to be in our case we will go with the stationery, right? Printing and stationery is going to be 1. We don't know how we want to put the books. Maybe I'll choose some another account. So let me go ahead with let's say I can go with the office supplies maybe, and this one I can put as a miscellaneous. I can just say, hey, this is a miscellaneous expense. So you could do that. So this, as you see here, what I'm doing is I'm just selecting accounts that I want to actually be distributing my payments over. And as you say here, I've chosen miscellaneous. Okay, now I just need to fill in the amounts. So I'm going to go here and start filling them. The stationery is $95. HST payable is 25.35. Obviously the office supplies was $50, and this is 100. When I do that, you see that both these become green. That means the debits have matched the credits. It's time for you to actually enter the journal entry, and you can just say transfer. Now you could actually see when you do that, like you will see the journal entry that you put. It's and when you click on it, it'll give you the description. And obviously in uLaw, whenever you want to edit it, you'll obviously click on the dollar amount, and now you can actually edit it. You can unlock it and re-edit it and play with it. So to summarize, how do you put a general entry in uLaw? You click on action transfer and then hit general. We strongly recommend that before you have to do this, you consult your bookkeeper who are very familiar with the accounting portion and put a GL like this.